What up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja back with another amazing video on how you can make money online. Hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more awesome content on how you can make money online. Also, go ahead and check the links in the description below on how you can earn $1,000 per day or more with the programs and trainings that those links take you to. Alright, gang. Now today's lead this video is about a job lead that you can apply for if you are interested in working in the real estate sector. Okay, my bad, my laptop was just being a little weird. Right, so this lead is about the real estate sector. You'll be working for a company called HomePoint. Okay, and they help people own their own home. Okay, so they're on a mission to create financially healthy, happy homeowners. Now, HomePoint is a rising star in the mortgage industry, and they pretty much have the philosophy that they care. So their aim is to help people help themselves to own their own home by offering mortgages and so forth. Now, HomePoint is the third largest wholesale lender and the 12th largest correspondent lender in the US, where their headquarters is in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and they offer positions throughout the nation with over 2,500 associates and 300,000 serviced customers. Alright? If you thrive in a fast-paced environment and are looking for an opportunity to grow and develop your career, then we have the perfect opportunity for you. The Futures program at HomePoint provides an exceptional training and development experience designed to set program graduates up for successful careers in mortgage at HomePoint. Focused on providing career development opportunities for highly motivated, career-focused individuals who thrive in a fast-paced environment, the Futures program is considering applicants for the following positions. So, sticking up in here, they are looking to invest in people, and they want people who are willing to work with them for the long haul. And so their program is designed to take you from zero to hero. And they'll work with you, they'll train you over and over and over and help you be the best that you can be at your job so that you can grow within the company. Okay, so you would be starting here as an underwriter support specialist, but the sky's the limit, to be honest, because they do want individuals who are career focused, as it says here, and they will train you and they will take you from grassroots level up to highest possible level that you can go. So again, they want people to stick with them. So at the end of the day, you have to do what you have to do, and I really want you guys to be earning money online, because with this pandemic, there has been a shift in the way of thinking for for everybody. Alright, so let's get into this lead. So, underwriter support specialist. You'll work closely with mortgage loan originators, senior underwriters, and closers to underwrite conventional mortgage loans, including a detailed review of the residential mortgage loan application and documentation as submitted to ensure loans meet underwriting guidelines. The detailed review will entail analyzing documentation such as credit reports, income and asset documentation, collateral, fraud prevention tools, and other applicable documentation as required to render a loan decision ensuring completeness, accuracy, and compliance. Right? You'll review and analyze loan transactions, title and credit reports, income or asset documentation, and collateral when submitted as conditions requested by underwriter. You'll analyze documentation received from loan originator for acceptability and submit changes through HomePoint system as needed. You'll clear conditions within designated authority level as outlined in credit and risk policy and procedures. You'll effectively communicate all conditions and requirements to loan originator in a timely manner. You'll work closely with the underwriting staff to provide the best service possible to our originators. You'll manage the clear to close process between the originator, UWCTC, and the closing department. That's the underwriter close, clear to close. So that's what UWCTC means. Underwriter clear to close, and the closing department. So that's the department that um, bags the deals, or bags the um, they pretty much secure the client. Right, that's the term I'm looking for. So you will also conduct business with integrity and in a highly ethical manner. Now the skills and qualifications they're looking for: a high school diploma is definitely required, but a college degree is preferred. Okay, so either a high school diploma, but a college degree is preferred. They want someone with experience in customer service in a high volume setting, prior business related work experience, proficient with Microsoft Office, ability to learn new technology systems quickly, excellent communication skills, verbal and written, and they want someone with detail oriented or organized individual, and that person will definitely thrive in that particular job role. Now, here's the thing. They're actually looking for about 4 or 5 positions to fill. There's a loan processor, that position that they're looking to fill. They're looking for a loan coordinator. They're looking for a closer. Okay? They want a funder. And you can apply now. And I mean, the first one we read was the basic entry level job that anyone can apply for and effectively get. But if you could actually go to this page and see what other jobs you're interested in, just read through the requirements and the job description, what they require of you and things that you'll be doing, then maybe this is something that you could try. Okay, so again, home point, I'll leave a link in the description to this, but also check the other links. Maybe you're not feeling a job, maybe you want to start your own thing. I remembered hearing this quotation today, that you can't leave a job for the future generations. You can't leave a job for your children to take. What you can leave is a business. What you can leave is legacy. But you can't leave a job for your children. So, with that said, this is the Internet Income Ninja. I'm out. Stay safe, guys. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell, share this lead with someone who's interested in home ownership, home mortgages, and so forth. Maybe a co-worker who's struggling at work and they want to work from home. Just share this with people. Alright guys, so that's it from us here at the Internet Income Ninja. Stay safe, check the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.